हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू FPL गपशप। मेरा नाम है रक्षित। 2 गेम वीक बचे हैं एंड भाटिया साहब हैज़ गिवन अप ऑफिशियली। उन्होंने सफ़ेद झंडा लहराना शुरू कर दिया है। ही
सफेद
हैज़
झंडा था या एक सेकंड ग्रुप पे झंडा था या उनकी चड्डी थी?
देयर वर अदर
लोग
थिंग्स आल्सो जो वो
बट
डिस्क्राइब
लेजिट
नहीं कर
लेजिट
सकते, बट
भाटिया
ही
साहब
इज
ने यही बोला,
डन।
आई
ही
गिव
सेड आई
अप।
डोंट गिव अ फक अबाउट द सीजन, आई एम डन फॉर द सीजन। तो मैंने कहा भाटिया साहब इस वाले में नहीं आओगे, लास्ट वाले में आओगे? बोलते नहीं, मैं आऊंगा ही
आऊंगा ही नहीं।
नहीं। ही इज डन विद द सीजन। तो चलो, देर आए दुरुस्त है। अब वो मेरी सिचुएशन जो मैं 4 महीने पहले था वरन उस पर आ चुके हैं। यू
बट
स्टिल हैव होप।
यू स्टिल आर अपीयरिंग ऑन द पॉड एंड आपकी ऑडियंस को
आई एम
आप
स्टिल शोइंग अप।
एंटरटेन कर
आई
रहे
एम
हो।
स्टिल शोइंग अप।
कूडोज टू यू, बट भाटिया साहब नो।
आई एम स्टिल शोइंग अप, सर।
सर मैं हमेशा व्हाट अ पैथेटिक ह्यूमन बीइंग सर, बट या
He is genuinely is
yeah, but
a disgraceful man.
yeah,
But
we'll see him.
we will
You'll
we
see him
will
next
have
season. Yeah,
we'll see him pre-season. We'll
next
see him in
preseason.
pre-season.
Yeah,
If you ask me initially कि मैं 2 मिलियन से ऊपर हूँगा पूरे सीजन, तो मैं जेनुइनली बोलता कि मैं आधे सीजन बाद पॉड बंद कर रहा हूँ।
yeah.
बट जो लोगों का प्यार है और द फैक्ट दैट आपका मिसफॉर्चून, भाटी साहब का मिसफॉर्चून पे मैं कमेंट कर सकता हूँ ऑन वीकली बेसिस, यही मुझे वो ड्राइव और मोटिवेशन देता है to continue।
यही इतना ही चाहिए सर, इतना ही चाहिए
इतना ही
लाइफ में, और
चाहिए।
क्या चाहिए?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
सही बात।
हेट वॉच। Let's start with your team. We'll do a very quick one, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है।
We
एंड
don't have a lot of
ऑब्वियसली सिटी वर्सेस पैलेस नहीं बचा है एंड
नहीं बचा नहीं है, मतलब
फर्जी
सीनियर से पहले
फर्जी
बचा
बेंच
है।
बूस्ट है। पहले तो बता दूं, फर्जी बेंच बूस्ट है आपका।
I
दुनिया में
disagree.
सबको पता है कि
I disagree.
fuck off.
I disagree.
No one in their right mind would put Lacroix in the starting lineup and Van Hecke on the bench. It's a fuzzy
I'll,
bench boost.
I disagree.
Totally fuzzy. Totally
I
fuzzy.
disagree.
Chat में लोग बता सकते हैं, viewers बता सकते हैं कि whether they agree,
See,
but absolutely no chance.
I'll give you
Absolutely
my
no chance.
point of view. हम इतने ईयर्स से खेल रहे हैं, मेरे को 4-5 हो गए, आपको 15 हो गए होंगे कंसिडरिंग योर एज। सो हमेशा जब भी डबल होता है, even when you're on bench boost, you start all your players. Doesn't matter if they're playing Arsenal, Man City as two doubles. It doesn't matter if they're a Burnley player or a Watford player or Dennis or whatever. It doesn't matter. My philosophy has always been I'll start the doublers and keep my single game week players on the bench, and hence I've done that, and I think it's a successful bench boost. So I don't care whatever you want to say.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
मान लिया आपकी बात। द फैक्ट दैट आपका एक प्लेयर खेला ही नहीं है एनीवेज मींस कि लक्रॉ और वैन हेका आपकी टीम में आ गया, विच ऑलरेडी मेक्स इट अ फेलियर बेंच बूस्ट।
15
बिकॉज
points, I'll take it.
आपके बेंच पे 3 बंदे बचे। इट्स अ फेलियर। इट्स अ फकिंग डबल गेम वीक।
Wait, how many points did you get?
आई एम मेरे से इतने बुरे हाल आ गए, मेरे से कंपेयर कर रहे हो अपने आप को? इतने बुरे दिन आ गए आपके?
मैं कंपेयर नहीं कर रहा हूँ, आई एम जस्ट मेकिंग माई सेल्फ फील बेटर। अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है उस
सर
सिनेरियो में
50 पॉइंट मारे थे गेम वीक 33 में लोगों ने बेंच बूस्ट पे, आप 15 पॉइंट में खुश हो रहे हो? यही पीछे रह गए ना दुनिया में आप।
सर यही प्रॉब्लम है
यही
आपकी
पीछे
और
रह गए
आपके
आप।
जैसे लोगों की। आपके जैसे लोगों की जिन्हों किन्हीं के लिए
फर्स्टली तो
50
आपका
पॉइंट्स
बेंच
भी
पे
इनफ नहीं है।
आपका बेंच ऑर्डर उल्टा होना चाहिए, और वैसे भी आपका बेंच का प्लेयर कैसीमीरो की जगह आ रहा है जस्ट लाइक अ नॉर्मल वीक। आपका बेंच बूस्ट इज fucking failure. It's very simple.
See,
That is
what
the
I
only reason
feel
I
is
can
that
support to
was
say
trusting
it's a failure.
United. I had two Manchester United boys. One didn't show up. He didn't even care to show up. So for me, that's a failure that मैंने United पे trust किया, right? But other than that, it has been a massive success this game week. I think
Massive success.
I went with the right strategy. I still have 5 players left.
Fuck off.
I'll take 15 points from them. I'll be happy to get 15 points.
Congratulations for 2 points from Henderson and 1 from Lacroix from the match where they were supposed to get DEFCONs and points and shit like that. It's a completely failed strategy. मतलब you could have actually gone into top 10 के। एक तो आपने मेरी बात नहीं सुनी, माइकल कीन ले आए सेनेसी की जगह, वहां आपको ऑलमोस्ट 8-9 पॉइंट का लॉस हुआ है। आपका कैसीमीरो खेला नहीं, चलो वो उसके बारे में कुछ कर नहीं सकते, बट आपका बेंच बूस्ट फेल हो चुका है। आपका स्ट्राइकर डैनी वेलबेक ने वुल्व्स के अगेंस्ट कुछ नहीं किया ब्लैंक के, विच इज एक्सट्रीमली डिसअपॉइंटिंग। आप चोरकी डिफरेंशियल लाए थे, 1 पॉइंट दिया है, कुछ नहीं किया है। पैलेस डिफेंस मैं 3
टर्की की
हफ्ते
तो हम
से
बात करेंगे,
थक गया हूँ,
टर्की
मैं थक
टर्की
गया
की
हूँ,
तो हम
नहीं
बात
करेंगे
करेंगे,
मैं थक गया हूँ बोल
करेंगे।
बोल के पैलेस प्लेयर्स मत लाओ मत लाओ, नहीं सुनी आपने भी बात। एटलीस्ट भाटिया साहब गॉट द राइट पैलेस प्लेयर्स, यू तो डिड नॉट इवन गेट द राइट पैलेस प्लेयर्स।
We'll get to Bhatia Saab, Steve. It's okay.
Absolutely,
Um,
since the wild card you have been utter shit, unfortunately. और मुझे
I
कुछ
wild
कहना ही नहीं है। लेट्स गो टू भाटिया साहब का टीम with -2 Joakim Anderson on the
Anderson.
bench.
This is the
So what
Rakshit
happened
Chopra
is कि
curse.
this is my
Yeah.
curse. What happened is कि हमारे ग्रुप पे जैसे ही ब्रेंटफोर्ड आई थिंक रायन क्रिस्ट सॉरी बोर्नमथ में रायन क्रिस्टी गॉट सेंट ऑफ, तो मैंने
Yeah.
भाटिया साहब को लिखा मैंने भाटिया साहब को लिखा कि कांग्रेचुलेशंस भाटिया साहब, एटलीस्ट
Nailed on
क्लीन
clean
शीट तो आपके
sheet.
एंडरसन की आ गई है।
Yeah.
फुलहम एट होम अगेंस्ट बोर्नमथ, आई थिंक काफी इवन था वैसे भी। बोर्नमथ मैंने आर अ टीम जो मैन टू मैन प्रेस करती है और एक मैन कम हो तो यू कैन प्ले थ्रू देम। तो मुझे
Yeah.
लगा कि यार भाटिया साहब मिनिमम आपकी क्लीन शीट आ जाएगी, क्योंकि बोर्नमथ का स्टाइल ऑफ प्ले अटैकिंग है, तो आपके डेफकॉन भी आ सकता है और गोल भी आ सकता है, बोनस भी आ सकता है। और भाई 5 मिनट बाद वही बंदा रेड कार्ड लेके चला गया, हार भी गए, डेफकॉन भी ना मिले, रेड कार्ड के -2 पॉइंट्स ऑन अ फकिंग बेंच बूस्ट,
Just
द अल्टीमेट कर्स।
it's sad.
भाटिया
It's sad.
साहब जिसके लिए तो बैड लक, बट नो बैड लक फॉर प्लेइंग रिचर्ड्स, नो
Yeah.
बैड लक फॉर ट्राइंग टू एक्ट टू स्मार्ट एंड गेटिंग गार्डनर इन योर टीम, जबकि ड्यूसबरी हॉल आप इजीली ला सकते थे, एटलीस्ट उसने 5-6 पॉइंट
बिल्कुल।
दिए। राया तो ऑब्वियसली चलो है ही। उसके अलावा ही एटलीस्ट गॉट द राइट पैलेस प्लेयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इस्माइल असार। एटलीस्ट मुझे पता था कि हाँ वो अटैक में कुछ कर सकते हैं, क्लीन शीट तो आनी थी।
Yeah.
वेलबैक, मॉर्गन रॉजर्स के लिए तो मतलब आई थिंक
मेरे हिसाब से
आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज ही इज नॉट कमिंग ऑन द पॉड नाउ। मॉर्गन
Yeah.
रॉजर्स को अपनी टीम में देख के मैं भी शायद नहीं आता।
नहीं, काम ही ऐसा किया, अपने शक्ल दिखा नहीं सकता, तो I agree with you. I think
बिल्कुल सही
Morgan,
बात है।
and the fact is it's not even वो अपनी वाइल्ड कार्ड पे नहीं लाए थे, फिर वो एज अ फ्री ट्रांसफर लाए मॉर्गन रॉजर्स को, समथिंग लाइक दिस। So it's just mind boggling कि
Utter
उनका
disgrace.
Yeah.
Disgrace. I'm just a poor quality panel. At least I have some good players in my team. मतलब I'm fucking around. If I had Haaland captain, I would have been close to Bhatia साहब even without a bench boost. But I'm just fucking around. दोस्तों पिक्स स्कोर मत देखो, पिक्स पे देखो आप, just look at the picks. Lemons, I have a Manchester United player in my a goalkeeper in my team, 9 points. Pedro Porro, before he conceded, he was on 10 points. खा लिया अलग बात है। वैन हेका, बैड पिक, आई शुड हैव गॉन फॉर लुइस डंक। ओराइली, ठीक है, I'll take it, whatever it is. Bruno Guimaraes, absolutely legendary pick. 5-6 points in the last match, 6 points in this match. This is what he does, consistent all season long. Got defcons, got a single bonus point, got an assist. I don't even think he got an assist, man. He just got like defcons and bonus.
He got defcons and 1 bonus.
Yeah, absolutely crazy pick. Dewsbury Hall, 5 points, got an assist. But Enzo fucking Fernandez, लोग अपनी टीम में जाओ पेड्रो रखे हुए, पाल्मर रखे हुए, लोगों ने बेच दिए उसके बाद। I got an Enzo Fernandez, was last on my bench. I suddenly remembered, यार Liverpool are also shit, just like Chelsea.
Yeah.
So let's play him. Scored a goal, gave me 8 points. वरन ने पूरी कोशिश करी कि गोल एंजो से हट के आई थिंक फोफाना को दे दिया जाए, बट नहीं हुआ। Krupi Jure was
मनन ने
unlucky.
कोशिश करी।
His team went down to 9 men. Turkey captaincy backfired, but I don't care. Trufair got 9 points. I love him. What a player. I actually feel bad कि मैंने उसे start नहीं किया. So that's on me. But what a pick he has been, Varan. He's absolutely superb player.
He has been really good. Rakshit, though, like, were you expecting Turkey 58 minutes up? What happened there?
No, man.
What
आप
happened?
बताओ ना,
Why?
मतलब आपकी टीम में भी चर्की है, राइट? बिकॉज
Yeah.
सी आप पैन सिटी का डबल में यू वांट टू गेट 3 बेस्ट सिटी प्लेयर्स एंड ही इज लिटरली इन ऑल ऑफ आवर टीम्स.
Yes.
So it's very strange कि वो he got subbed at 59, the next minute they scored.
Yeah.
Pep also hinted कि he may make changes in midweek because FA Cup final है. I won't be
Yeah.
surprised if he does not start.
No, I'm
आज का
expecting
match.
Turkey to start. Personally, I am expecting Turkey to start and just get subbed
Who
off
do you
around
expect to
60.
not start? Semenyo maybe?
Yeah, I think so, Semenyo, because I think he played 90, so I'm expecting Semenyo to
Yeah.
not start.
पता नहीं, बाकी तो
And-
पेप ही बताएगा.
हाँ, मतलब वो मैं आज पता पड़ जाएगा, but It's just again something that you can't control. जैसे मेरे Casemiro decided not to show up. Cherki was subbed at 58 minutes. It's just unlucky because Cherki was looking like the best City player. So I can't even
यार
fault you
if
for
you tell me
captaining him.
कि
Yeah.
City 3-0, मतलब I'm to just fucking around, but if you
Yeah,
told
I
me
know.
3-0 Man City जीत रही है and Turkey will get 1 point, I would have been like what the fuck,
No,
ये
there's
क्या
no
हुआ है?
way. Yeah. Yeah, true.
Yeah, मुझे तो ये लगता है कि वो इंजरी हुई है फर्स्ट हाफ में.
Yeah, fair. Anyway,
Anyways,
that's
we have wasted 10 minutes analyzing our shit teams, जबकि हमारा focus होना चाहिए
analyzing your and
on
Bhattiyazav's shit team.
absolute garbage decisions. दोस्तों, I hope आप लोग के decisions must be better. 2 game week बचे हैं. Let's try to keep things very very simple. Maran, what are the 2 teams we should look at? What are the scenarios where you go for certain teams this week, but they may not be decent options in the last week?
Again, the scenario is clear for Arsenal, right? Right. If City fail to beat Palace or Bournemouth, which is their 37 fixture, obviously we are recording before the Palace game. Arsenal will be again. Arsenal के लिए वो 38 वाला fixture matter ही नहीं करता है, right? Also Palace के लिए भी वो fixture matter नहीं करता because Palace are in the final and वो Arsenal के 2.5 days पहले ही वो match है, like so. This Crystal Palace versus Arsenal match is 2.5 days before the final, so we could see a mass rotation from Palace as well, right? And I think इस पे उनके मैनेजर ग्लासनर ने ऑलरेडी कमेंट किया है दैट आई विल नॉट बी प्रेशर्ड इनटू प्लेइंग समथिंग लाइक दैट कि फाइनल इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑल सो आई जस्ट फील लाइक कि आई डोंट नो आर्सेनल के साथ क्या करना है बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड लास्ट होम गेम बर्नली एंड एक्चुअली दे कैन विन द टाइटल ऑब्वियसली पहले पता नहीं पड़ेगा बट दे आई जस्ट फील लाइक कि it's a very good chance to get in an Arsenal attacker, Gyökeres or Saka, whatever. So Arsenal are a team. I don't know 37 का 38 में क्या होगा, but I'm just focusing on 37. I'm looking to get one. मैं आगे अपनी टीम में बताऊंगा, but I think Arsenal are the team to target this week.
Okay, I'll go to the other side of the spectrum and say कि even Man City अगर Bournemouth से हार
Yeah.
जाती है तो
Absolutely.
Man City are also a team जिनका last match might be completely worthless for them. Still no one is saying कि नहीं होने चाहिए, but आप punts ले सकते हो. सिमिलरली अगर आप टॉटनहम वेस्ट हैम की बात करो, टॉटनहम अगर जीत जाती तो मैं और कॉन्फिडेंस से बोलता कि हाँ यार बिल्कुल ही मैटर नहीं करता है, बट क्योंकि टॉटनहम ने ड्रॉ कर लिया तो अभी भी चांस है. बट अगर लेट्स से टॉटनहम वेस्ट हैम जीत गई ये वाला वीकेंड वाला मैच एंड स्पर्स लाइक ड्रॉ और लूज वर्सेस चेल्सी, इट्स गोना गो टिल द फाइनल डे.
Till the final day, yeah.
बट अगर वेस्ट हैम हार जाती है न्यूकासल अवे, मुझे खास
easy.
कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है वेस्ट हैम पे,
Yeah.
स्पर्स पे बिल्कुल नहीं है. So I think this might go till the last day, like for players like Bowen etc. If you have, you can probably
Yeah.
keep them. But मेरे हिसाब से मनन मुझे तो लग रहा है कि बहुत सारी चीजें इस वीकेंड भी हो सकती हैं खत्म, तो probably hold your transfers unless आपको कुछ बहुत ही obvious दिख रहा है. And by that I mean like probably get an Arsenal players. And that's about
Yeah.
it. मुझे और कुछ
The
obvious
thing
दिख
is,
नहीं रहा है इस week.
Rakshit, हम on the beach वाली बात करते हैं ना, still quite open. Again, if you want to target teams, it's still target teams. Like अब वही है Bournemouth का Man City, obviously they are fighting for Europe. Brighton का भी it's again they can go for that European spot. So there are a lot of teams who have something to play for and definitely आप उनको target कीजिए. But 37 और 38 में बहुत difference हो सकता है. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि it's very difficult to get in any asset and just बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि वो 38 में भी स्टार्ट करेंगे क्योंकि रोटेशंस होता है यूजुअली. सो बट रक्षित, डू यू थिंक इट्स अ गुड स्ट्रेटजी कि जिसका 37 में डिसेंट फिक्सचर हो एंड 38 में होम फिक्सचर हो, क्योंकि लास्ट मैच होम पे फैंस थोड़े से फायर्ड अप होते हैं, राइट? सो
लास्ट होम मैच ऑफ द सीजन, मैं तो जनरली इस वीक भी बोलूंगा कि लास्ट होम मैच ऑफ द सीजन देखो. लाइक आई डोंट माइंड क्योंकि यू हैव बेंचेस ना. If you have players who can play off the bench in the final day, then target teams with home matches. Arsenal, Manchester United, Everton have a decent match against Sunderland मुझे लगता है. Chelsea ऐसी टीम का देखो भरोसा नहीं है तो मैं इतना कुछ बोलूंगा नहीं. Brentford हो गया for example. I think Thiago could have a good match against a Palace team.
I like
distracted.
Thiago. Yeah.
Aston Villa at home. Me and you both are expecting Villa to win, right? Although उनका यूरोपा लीग है, but someone like Ollie Watkins पे आप पंट ले सकते हो, लास्ट वीक बेंच कर देना फिर.
But
तो
not
अगर
Morgan
आप
Rogers.
prepared हो, मॉर्गन रॉजर्स नहीं. अगर आप बेंच कर सकते हैं इन प्लेयर्स को लास्ट वीक के लिए, तो इवन एक वीक के लिए होम मैच के लिए भी मैं प्रेफर करूंगा लाना.
I agree, completely
एंड
agree.
आई डोंट सी टू मेनी टीम्स जिनका लास्ट होम मैच अच्छा है और इस वीक भी अच्छा मैच है. कैन यू सी एनी ऑफ देम?
I mean, अब Brighton है, Leeds is a I don't like the fixture Leeds, but last home game United है. I don't know.
It's not a good match.
But the only
Much.
again as I told you, Leeds don't have anything to play for, and Brighton have everything to play for still because of Europe.
Doesn't matter.
Right? So,
Look at the form, na Leeds ka.
yeah, fair.
When was the
fair.
last time they lost a match?
That's where
Genuinely, they have been so good. I don't
what
agree
about,
with this on the beach. I have not seen any team on the beach.
No, I agree. But Leeds now they have nothing to play for, right? Last
Nothing to
week
play
tak
for in the
tha.
last match also. Tottenham
No,
against
but
they have nothing to play for.
yeah, fair. What the only
Sir,
other
देखो,
team I want to
last home match में they will. If I had any Brighton player, I would not play a single Brighton player this week.
yeah, that's what I'm doing. But yeah.
Leeds अपने होम पे मैं तो उनके अगेंस्ट नहीं जाऊंगा.
The last team, Rakshit, I want to talk is Everton. Sunderland at home is a good fixture, and then उसके बाद Tottenham है. We don't know उस match में क्या होगा. If Tottenham actually need a result in that match, so that match can be difficult for Everton. So again, all around, I don't see a lot of punts. Is what I'm trying to say. 37, at least 37. Mein, it's the only team I'm interested in is Arsenal. Yeah.
Fair enough. Let's look at this week then. 37 जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं. Arsenal by far in terms of goals and in terms of clean sheet odds. This is screaming like a 3-0 win.
It is.
Right? Arsenal don't score 3 goals too often, but I can see them scoring 3 goals in this match and keeping a clean sheet also. Could be like a good carnival atmosphere. Arsenal last home match of the season before, they probably will win the Premier League and go into the Champions League final. It is what it is, but yeah,
we have to accept it.
This is the bumper match for sure. So अगर आपको आर्सेनल के प्लेयर लाने हैं एंड इवन अगर आपको लगता है कि लास्ट वीक तक खत्म हो जाएगी लीग, नहीं चलेगी, तब भी आप उनको बेंच कर सकते हैं. सो आर्सेनल में अगर मैं आई थिंक वन एंड आई विल आस्क यू व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट योर टीम, ओके, most people have already got 2 Arsenal players, so probably they will have a scope of 1 more player. उसके अलावा मतलब how good a match is Bournemouth away? Like I don't like this match for City at all, and I will say कि I think they might struggle to win it. Bournemouth have been on an insane run, and they are exactly the sort of team जो City को बहुत trouble कर सकती है.
बिल्कुल. Also, Bournemouth had a long rest as well, and we know what a rested Bournemouth can do to oppositions.
Yeah. So Iraola का last home match.
Yeah. I think अगर हम थोड़ी सी और आर्सेनल के और अगेन आर्सेनल के अलावा बात करें तो it's a good home game for United as well, I feel, against Forest. Although Forest have been good defensively, but अब वो sort of again अब वो relegation का fear, I don't know if they'll play थोड़ा openly or not, but I like the fixture, especially I don't know Casemiro की क्या situation है, but Bruno again
it's his last home match for United. Should be back.
And for him, by the way, he's
for him only, yeah. Last home main game for him. थोड़ा सा doubt था, इसलिए risk नहीं करा because he wanted to play at home. I think it's a great match for him.
Exactly. So I'm happy to own him if he's gonna start. But बहुत सारे again punts दिख रहे हैं. One player you mentioned, Rakshit, is Thiago. I would love to own Thiago this week. I think it's a very 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 good match. And again, he's someone जिसका form has been really good. Still, his form has been really good. And सिर्फ doubles and वगैरह की वजह से people have sold him. So I just feel like if you want to go back to Thiago, I think I still like him as a forward option.
Yeah, I like a lot of forwards in this week, right? Look at Gyökeres at the top. I think he's a great captaincy option also. Haaland is obviously there. If you look at Newcastle, I like Osula. West Ham have to go for it, Manan. They have to win this match. Draw is not good enough. They have to win this match. So that means कि Newcastle will get chances. Osula has been looking very good. He's going to start. He's a good punt. Igor Thiago is a absolutely brilliant option for this match, I feel. Right?
Yeah.
अगर आप बात करो, Fulham have Wolves away. So अगर आप you can punt on the right, Muniz/Jimenez could be like a good option. Beto has been in good form. I think he got a new contract also. Ollie Watkins.
Beto is a very good option actually. He has looked. The goal was very good.
He is. Ollie Watkins at home to Liverpool, last home match Villa Park पे. Dominic Calvert-Lewin का last home match है. Brighton के against, I think he's a good option. Krupi मुझे लगता है could do well against City. You can suddenly see a lot of good strikers in this particular week. तो मुझे लगता है आप strikers पे
Absolutely.
definitely punt ले सकते हो. Clean sheet wise, very quickly Arsenal के अलावा, would you agree
I'd
कि
say
Everton are second?
yes, Keane. Again, I brought him to play this week and the next week. So I think again, if someone doesn't want to go Arsenal defender for 37, I think the next best defender is Keane or Tarkowski, whoever you want to go for. I certainly like them more than any other player.
Okay, cool. Let's go to the teams then.
Yeah.
Quickly wrap it off. So how many free transfers do you have?
I only have one free transfer,
Ah.
and I only have two Arsenal players, obviously. So I'm gonna target a third Arsenal player. I can go. I have 5 million in the bank, so I can go for either Saka or Gyökeres. Current thinking is to go for Gyökeres. I just feel like he's on penalties, and we know Gyökeres as more of a Rakshit jo aap kehte ho, a sort of a bully against teams like Burnley
Fat
and
track bully.
smaller teams. Yeah, fat track. So I just feel like, and last home game I just stat padding मेरे को लगता है थोड़ी सी हो सकती है. So hence I'm gonna most likely do Welbeck to Gyökeres, and I'll most likely captain him because I don't like Haaland against Bournemouth. It's a decent shout. I like Bruno against Forest as well, by the way. I think it could be a decent one, but I'm just gonna chance it on Gyökeres. Rakshit, thoughts on Gabriel captaincy? I know it's a very boring move, okay, but last week also he got 11 points. We know that clean sheet आने का बहुत अच्छा chance है. We saw 55%. If someone wants to go safe, would you say a Gabriel captaincy over let's at least a Haaland, if not Bruno?
No,
You will like it?
because he most likely won't get DEFCONs. You get bonus points when your team wins 1-0.
Yeah.
Can you see Arsenal winning 1-0 in this match, or do you
I think
see
they should score
lot
2
of
or 3.
some players getting multiple returns like Gyökeres and Saka? And if you see 2-3 goals in a match, then you should
Yeah.
not go for a defender, I think. तो मेरे को नहीं लगता अच्छा कैप्टेंसी है. अल्ट्रा बोरिंग सेफ 6 पॉइंट चाहिए तो ले लो.
Yeah.
गोल
Yeah.
मार दिया तो अलग
Fair.
बात है भाई, फिर आपको मिलेगी 17 पॉइंट 15 पॉइंट, वो अलग बात है. बट मैं तो बोलूंगा कि आपकी आधी से ज्यादा टीम बेटर है उससे. मतलब कैल्वर्ट
Yeah.
लुइन probably is a better option.
I
Haaland is a
like
better
Dewsbury
option.
Hall.
Dewsbury Hall is a better option. Casemiro might be a better option, bro.
Yeah, so anyway,
Why not?
we are not going down that route. But yeah, Welbeck to Gyökeres is something
If
that
I
I'm
was you, I
looking
would
at.
just captain Casemiro.
Yeah, Casemiro is also good. Yeah, Casemiro is also a good shout. But I'm most likely gonna do it Gyökeres and just see
And captain.
if we can score.
Captain
Yeah,
him?
yeah, and captain him. Yeah.
So, agar let's say people can get Saka versus Gyökeres, you are going Gyökeres. I agree with you, by the way.
Yeah.
मुझे लगता है कि and also like keeping it simple कि Gyökeres is on penalties. Gyökeres is more durable. He'll get more minutes. Saka very important for UCL also.
Saka का minutes का भी issue है इस बार. I know Gyökeres
minutes
भी
का
हो
issue
जाएगा
है.
because
Clearly
Havertz
है.
is also back.
He's not getting 90 minutes, man. Saka.
But even Gyökeres won't die. Again, Havertz most likely will come on because उसके भी थोड़े minutes लाने जरूरी
हाँ,
है.
but he has also come on like when Gyökeres has been on the pitch also.
Yeah, true.
कोई guarantee नहीं है.
So
Anyways, अगर आपका कैप्टन 70-75 मिनट्स में नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब
even
it's not
that
ideal.
to against Burnley at home, so
Yeah.
वो
So
deserve
for
भी
me
नहीं
and you,
करता है.
title is done.
Yeah, pretty much. For me, it was even done before last week. Again, as I said,
That
Arsenal,
Everton match was done.
yeah, Arsenal might draw points, but I don't see City capitalizing on it, and that was my thinking.
Yeah.
And still, I see City dropping points against Bournemouth. I hope they
Bournemouth,
don't,
yes.
but yeah. So it's too late for the league
Perfect,
for City to catch up or something.
It's set up perfectly. Palace away was not going to be easy, but
Yeah.
Palace away with Conference League final 3 days later,
No,
they don't need to bother.
It's not
Why
gonna
should they
happen.
bother? It's not
It's not
gonna
gonna
happen.
happen.
So
Yeah.
मेरे हिसाब से तो
Unfortunately.
आपको इस हिसाब से अपनी FPL टीम भी प्लान करनी चाहिए कि आर्सेनल might win
Will
the
win the
league
league. Yeah.
in game week 37 before 38, but certainly win it in 38. So you kind of assess your City Arsenal assets for 38. थोड़ा सा देख के चलो, आपके पास 6 होंगे, 6 में से कितने खेलेंगे
बिल्कुल,
लास्ट वीक वो आपको देखना
बिल्कुल.
पड़ेगा.
That is very important. I agree. That is very. Then City के साथ
Even
क्या है
for
ना
you.
तो. Yeah, no, I know,
Like
but City के साथ
Turkey and all these guys might not play in the last
I
match.
I agree, but City के साथ क्या है ना रक्षित, it's also a fact. अब I don't know how much कितना पेप रोटेट करेगा क्या, वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट पेप, बट सिटी का लास्ट होम गेम होगा 38 में. So again, I don't know if the likes of Haaland and O'Reilly, I feel they'll start. I don't think they'll be benched last home game, but we never know again. So
Yeah, you also keep in mind City have midweek match.
midweek match, yeah, yeah,
So उसके 3-3.5 दिन बाद होगा लास्ट मैच. Don't know.
yeah,
I am doubtful. If they win their matches, then अलग बात है. But if they drop points against Bournemouth, then they lose the league obviously.
yeah.
Okay. But मतलब all I'm saying is keep it in the back of your mind कि
नहीं,
title
100%
title
होना
might be
चाहिए.
done this week and आपके पास फिर 6 player होंगे. If you're Arteta, you will rotate everyone in that last match.
Yeah,
Then
100%.
I'm
You should.
100% sure कि your Gabriel, your Gyökeres, your Raya, none of them are starting. Even
Yeah,
Raya.
yeah. I know.
With
I agree.
UCL coming up, they will
Yeah,
not start. You
yeah.
have to have a plan to remove them or get players off the bench.
Definitely,
Simple.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why अगर needless transfers आप avoid कर सको तो करो इस week मैं तो बोलूँ.
I agree. But you should get in one of your guys because appeal बहुत
No,
है.
there is no need to get in. आपकी मर्जी अलाउ. मैंने बताया आपको बहुत options आपके पास इनके अलावा भी. मनन ला रहे मत भी नहीं आपको लाने. His decision making has been shit in the last 1 month anyways. But you can
No, it
follow my
hasn't
decision
been.
making.
Yeah,
It has been trash.
right.
This is my team.
No, but you are good at 1 week punt, so let's see what your transfers are. So,
Yeah, my 1 week punts are in the strikers category जैसे मैं गया था. Like if I look at my team, I have more confidence in Krupi than Bowen in this week. I have more
Yeah.
confidence in Pedro Porro than O'Reilly. If I have to sum it up, because I can't see कि Bournemouth how they not score in this match. And
Yeah.
O'Reilly is he getting into those positions now? Manan last 2-3-4 weeks में
He
मतलब
is,
आप
he
ज़्यादा देख
still
लो
is,
City को.
he still is. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं, it's just एक फाउंड आउट वाली बात होती है, राइट रक्षित? अगर आपका एक डिफेंडर लेट्स से 8 गेम वीक में 7 गोल स्कोर कर रहा है, तो वो 9th जो 10th एंड 11th टीम होगी जिसके अगेंस्ट आप खेल रहे हो, तो दे विल मार्क यू बेटर, राइट? सो वो वाली चीज हो रही है. एंड अगेन चरकी जल्दी सब हो रहा है, कभी सामान्य हो रहा है. सो अगेन क्रिएटिविटी हमेशा से सिटी का ये इशू होता है, ये डेफिनेटली जब हेडर्स नहीं स्कोर कर रही होती, क्योंकि वो क्रॉसेस एंड डोकू हैज बीन एक्चुअली स्कोरिंग बैंगर्स. सो उससे भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट सिनेरियो हो जाता है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कितना आगे जा पा रहा है ओराइली. सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स.
Yeah, so I most probably will.
Yeah,
I might remove. I'm gonna most likely remove one City player minimum in this week, and probably gonna bench the other one and go for random punts, जिसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सोचा नहीं है. बट मेरे को बहुत सारे पंट्स दिखे नहीं इतने, स्पेशली डिफेंस और मिडफील्ड में. हाँ, अटैक मुझे दिखे हैं. मुझे अटैक में काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शन दिखे हैं. लाइक अगर मैं फिर से जाऊँ पीछे, तो आई लाइक ग्योकेरेस क्वाइट अ लॉट. आई लाइक ओसूला क्वाइट अ लॉट. इगोर थियागो वापस टीम में आ सकते हैं, लास्ट होम मैच है. आई लाइक कैल्वर्ट लुइन. आई लाइक ओली वॉटकिंस. ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स मुझे काफ़ी, बेटो फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल दीज प्लेयर्स आई लाइक. तो मेरे को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है इनमें से कोई भी अगर लूँ तो. I like all these players more than Bowen. I'll keep Bowen because they have to score and win and whatever, but I'm not sure if they're capable. I think West Ham will lose this match. Bruno Gomares is going nowhere. Dewsbury Hall, Bruno Fernandes, Krupi Jr. is absolutely going nowhere. Haaland, meh. Defense, how would you play Enzo over Turkey this week?
I would actually. Yeah,
But
he looked.
He looked really good.
Go on. Yeah, go on.
Problem is this match is 3 days after FA Cup final.
Yeah, but they're still trying for Europe, right? I know thoda sa impossible ho gaya hai, but they're still it is not mathematically over. That's the thing, right? So I don't.
It will be over mathematically by the time their match comes.
I just feel like Cherki is again a decent option against Bournemouth. Bournemouth have been really good defensively. That's my only thing.
Yeah,
but you have 2 free transfers, right, Rakshan?
Yeah, I think so. 2 or 3.
Yeah. So would you not rather remove them rather than play one of Cherki or Enzo? Let's say
I will remove one of I can do that as well. The thing is कि landscape मेरे को लग रहा है बहुत change होगा 38 में.
Yeah.
So I'm going for the manager of the week in 38. That's my new objective. That's my
I
objective.
can't
so
believe
I
you
admit
said
this
that
away.
with a straight face.
Manager of the week, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna go for. So let's see. But मेरे को मैं वही कह रहा हूँ. This game week is summed up by the fact कि I trust Poro more than O'Reilly. I trust
Krupi more than Bowen.
क्या बोलूँ मैं? Krupi more than Bowen. Yeah.
No,
That's how I feel about
and who do you plan to captain? Early thoughts? Because you don't have any Arsenal, so you're not going Arsenal.
I'm not going. I might go Arsenal, but it won't be any player who is more than 5% owned.
Yeah, so Gyökeres
Yeah.
or someone like
Just
that.
say, for
or
example, no.
Eze,
I might go
Trossard.
Mosquera in defense.
Hmm.
When White is out, Timber is out. I might go Mosquera.
Yeah.
I might go Trossard. I might go these sort of players. I might go Madueke.
But are you going to captain them? Is my question.
I might. No, I
actually,
won't.
okay, wait. Acha, no, you won't. Okay, I think
I
you.
have a feeling कि I might get in a Cunha or someone actually because मुझे लगता है United 3 मारेगी.
And then captain Bruno still. I think
I
Bruno
might
is
captain
still
the
a very
other Bruno. Bruno G.
Okay.
Might captain the other Bruno. I have
So it's
he
pointless
has a
to
better
ask
goal
you.
scoring chance than exactly.
It's pointless to ask you.
Yeah.
It doesn't help ever.
भाटिया साहब की टीम नहीं है because he doesn't care.
भाटिया
but
साहब शायद
जाते जाते
ट्रांसफर्स
दोस्तों
भी नहीं करे.
जाते जाते दोस्तों आप टेलीग्राम चैनल में जरूर ज्वाइन कर लेना. FPL Gupshup.
Yes, please do.
Please join it. Please stay
Like,
active.
share, comment.
We will scale up content next season. Where I hopefully will have a better season post the World Cup, and we will have a lot more going on. And yeah, that's about it. Like karo dosto, subscribe to the channel, and that's about it. All the best for game week 37. One more week left before this nightmare season is over. This abomination of a season is over, and I will see you. We will see you, I think, next week for the last of the season.
Yeah.
All the
Cheers,
best.
guys.